Welcome to 23 Kangaroo Close in Greenbank. This is a super special home and one that I'm sure you will love. This is the driveway. And here she is. And the driveway goes right through to the back. Plenty of storage for the caravan, boat, trailers, and into the powered shed behind. So welcome, come through. Perfect spot, sit out of the sun. So hallway. So bedroom downstairs, built in. Two-way bathroom with shower. And double doors out to a patio area overlooking the pool. Gorgeous entrance, understairs cupboard, double doors through to the laundry, super storage here. Butler sink. And again, a door out to the patio area and washing line. Lounge, reverse cycle air conditioning. Butler's pantry. Again with doors out to another patio area and the herb garden. Dining area. Overlooking the rear patio and pool. Study area. Perfect home office. And round to the kitchen. With a gorgeous view over the rear yard and pool area. So now upstairs. So upstairs, sitting area. Double storage linen cupboard. Through to double doors to master bedroom. Double walk-in wardrobe. The light in here is beautiful. And ensuite. Freestanding bath with a view again to outside area. So across the hallway to bedroom 3. Again, superb sized bedroom, reverse cycle air conditioner, ceiling fan with its own walk-in robe. Adjacent to the family bathroom. And separate toilet. Let's take you outside. So beautiful covered deck. Overlooking the pool. There's many facets to this house and yard. You will absolutely love it. So herb garden, which is accessible from the laundry or butler's pantry. Shed, 2-bay shed, through to covered patio area here, perfect for entertaining. To another barbecue shed area. Say hi guys, you're on video. Just admiring your wonderful home. Fire pit. So plenty of land for the children and pets to run around and play safely. And then follow me through here. And we have chickens. There is a reserve at the back, so no neighbours. And this is the idyllic chicken pen where Sage and Rosemary live. In the back there you have fruit trees. And then round to the pool area. So welcome to 23 Kangaroo Close in Greenbank. This certainly is a home that gives you a hug and a home that you will not want to leave. I'll see you soon.